The key element of architecture is to help us remember places. It is places that elicit emotion and remind us of what happened in a place, who lived there, what we fought for, and so on. The story of the Jallianwala Bagh, even after 102 years, still remains alive in the hearts of many Indians. However, with the recent revamp, a lot of questions are being asked. This article is an attempt to make you understand about the changes that are taking place and whether or not it will alter history. So, firstly, the sole entry and exit point to the Jallianwala Bagh, which is a lane, has now been completely transformed. It is no longer a lane but rather a tunnel that is covered from above and also has a shiny new floor. The walls that were made of the Nanak Shahi bricks remained untouched for over a century are now completely transformed as they are covered with murals. As you walk inside, the Shahidi Kuan, also known as the Martyr's Well, is now covered with glass. Earlier you could see bullet marks on walls, they are also covered now. Well, to be honest, this is whitewashing history. Architecture never has to be comforting. Architecture has to show the real depth, the real meaning of a place. And especially when we talk about a place like the Jallianwala Bagh, this place remained the same for over a century to remind us of the atrocities that were committed there. It was a mourning ground for us people and not a place for a light show. To refer to my article, please go to indianfolk.com. Thank you.